Welcome back to the absolute pinnacle of American muscle and high-performance engineering. Today, we are diving into a story that has the entire automotive world talking, especially those who believe that there is truly no substitute for raw, supercharged power. Ford has officially pulled the covers off the pricing and final specifications for one of the most anticipated pony cars in recent history, the new Mustang Dark Horse SC. This isn't just a minor upgrade or a fancy appearance package. This is a full-blown performance monster that has been engineered to push the boundaries of what a factory-backed Mustang can achieve. However, as the old saying goes, if you want to play at this level, you have to be prepared to pay. And the price tag for this supercharged stallion is officially crossing a threshold that was once reserved for exotic European supercars. If you were hoping to put one of these in your garage for a bargain, you might want to take a deep breath, because the Dark Horse SC is officially entering the six-figure club. To understand the value proposition of the Dark Horse SC, we first have to look at what is happening under that aggressively vented hood. At the heart of this beast lies the fourth-generation 5.0-liter Coyote V8, which is already a masterpiece in its naturally aspirated form. But for the SC variant, Ford Performance has teamed up with the experts at Whipple to bolt on a massive 3.0-liter twin-screw supercharger. This high-tech blower transforms the Mustang into an absolute powerhouse, cranking out a staggering 810 horsepower and over 615 pound-feet of torque. This is a significant jump over the standard Dark Horse and places it firmly in the territory of the legendary Shelby GT500. The engineering involved isn't just about bolting on a supercharger. The entire cooling system has been overhauled, featuring a high-capacity intercooler and a high-flow dual-beam fuel injection system to ensure that the engine can handle the massive increase in pressure without breaking a sweat. When it comes to the cost, the numbers are truly eye-watering. The base Dark Horse itself is already a premium purchase, but when you add the SC package, the final invoice starts to climb rapidly. Based on the latest dealership communications and official Ford Performance pricing guides, a fully equipped Mustang Dark Horse SC will set you back well over $100,000. Specifically, when you factor in the base price of the car, the cost of the supercharger kit, the labor for professional installation at an authorized Ford dealer, and various performance taxes, you're looking at a total investment that can easily reach $115,000 or more, depending on your selected options. For many enthusiasts, this represents a significant shift in the Mustang's identity, moving it away from its roots as an attainable performance car for the masses and into the realm of elite high-end collector's items. However, Ford argues that the Dark Horse SC offers performance that justifies every single penny of that six-figure price tag. It isn't just about straight-line speed. The Dark Horse chassis has been specifically tuned to handle this massive influx of power. The MagnaRide damping system has been recalibrated to provide even more control during high-speed cornering, and the massive Brembo braking system ensures that you can bring all 810 horses to a halt with repeatable precision. The car also features unique aerodynamic enhancements, including a redesigned front splitter and a rear wing that provides genuine downforce to keep the car planted when you are exploring its triple-digit speed capabilities. Inside, the cabin remains a driver-focused sanctuary, featuring heavily bolstered Recaro seats and the latest digital dashboard technology that provides real-time data on supercharger boost, oil temperature, and track performance metrics. One of the biggest advantages of the Dark Horse SC over an aftermarket build is the peace of mind that comes with factory backing. Because this kit was developed in-house by Ford Performance and installed by certified technicians, the vehicle maintains a 3-year or 36,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. This is a crucial factor for buyers who want hypercar levels of performance without the constant fear of a catastrophic mechanical failure that isn't covered by the manufacturer. It allows owners to actually use the car as intended, whether that means carving up mountain roads or spending a weekend at a local track day. Ford is positioning this car as the ultimate turnkey solution for the enthusiast who wants the absolute best that the Mustang platform has to offer right now. The market for high-performance muscle cars is changing rapidly, and the Dark Horse SC is a perfect example of this evolution. As we move closer to a future dominated by electrification, these high-displacement, supercharged V8 engines are becoming increasingly rare and sought after. This rarity is undoubtedly reflected in the pricing. Collectors are beginning to see cars like the Dark Horse SC as the last of their kind, which likely explains why dealerships are already seeing a massive influx of inquiries despite the six-figure price point. It's a car built for the purist, who values the sound of a whining supercharger and the physical sensation of 800 horsepower being sent to the rear wheels. In conclusion, the Ford Mustang Dark Horse SC is a spectacular achievement in automotive engineering. It represents the absolute pinnacle of the S650 generation, offering levels of power and performance that were once the stuff of dreams. While the $100,000 price tag is certainly a shock to the system, the combination of 810 horsepower, a factory warranty, and the prestigious Dark Horse nameplate makes it a compelling package for those with the means to acquire it. It is a bold, loud, and unapologetic celebration of American muscle, and it serves as a reminder that when it comes to performance, Ford is still more than capable of leading the pack. Whether you see it as an overpriced pony car or a bargain-priced supercar killer, there is no denying that the Dark Horse SC is the new king of the Mustang stable. We cannot wait to see these beasts hitting the streets and tracks later this year, proving once and for all that the legend of the Mustang is alive, well, and more powerful than ever.